Point Nemo, a very important point in geography, and that is where the point lies in the South Pacific Ocean. It is called as the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. Now, why it is called so? Because it is an area which is completely within the South Pacific Gyre, and as a result, there is massive rotating ocean currents. Now, because of the gyre and nutrient-rich water being prevented from entering into this region is a region which actually does not have any biological life, and as a result this place is most suitable for any space station to be dismantled or demolished. So this point Nemo is called as the spaceship cemetery, or the point where most of the spacecrafts actually are brought down because it's far away from human population. There are no population settlements nearby, and this is where the space debris is being maintained by the international maritime laws. So again, important, and this is one of the most isolated places on the earth, very far from the mainland, nearly 2600 kilometers away from the mainland areas. And as we said, because of the South Pacific gyre that is generated, this region is devoid of any nutrient supply and any biological life. So there is minimum threat to any human or animal or plant life in this region. So all the decommissioned satellites and space station debris is brought to this region, and therefore the intersection of geography and space technology meets here. A very important topic for you, not only just for prelims perspective but also for your mains answer writing. We'll be touching such important topics in future as well. For more information and complete material, refer the postal course and details below. Thanks for joining.